Hi, I'm Madonna Guy, and you're here with The Natural Alternative. Here's another possibility for improving your health over the next month. I'm running a 30-day remote group healing. I'm giving people 3 for the price of 1. So I'm going to be running frequencies for about 2 hours each day at least. Sometimes the frequencies just keep on rolling, depending on when I use my devices and things like that. But you get a minimum of 2 hours frequencies a day for 30 days coming directly to your cells. Now, the way that we set that up is I need for newbies, your full name, your height, your weight, your email, your date of birth, your current face photo, and 15 seconds of voice. And what that allows me to do is pop you into my device. The 15 seconds of voice has got 7,000 frequencies. And that's how my device knows you from everyone else on the planet. It's such cool technology. And the 3 programs that I'll be running this month are chronic pain and toxicity and chronic health challenges, fat blasters, blood sugar metabolism. Now, that one is actually good for people who are underweight as well, because the frequencies that don't match simply don't hit the cells. So the frequencies, I've got lists of 15 frequencies each day per group, and I'll go through a couple of those in a moment. So, and then another one will be parasites, infections, detoxification, and immune boosting. Now, we all know how important that is to our health. So we're getting a minimum of 2 hours distance frequency healing daily, and there's a support messenger group as well. So if we're friends on Facebook, I can whack you in the support group as well. So it runs from the 1st to the 31st of June, no exceptions. And so I just want to give you an example, the sort of frequencies that we'll be running throughout this month. So this is my scan. When you first contact me, I'll be running this particular scan for you. It's called the Inner Voice Scan. It's part of the Easy Scan. So you'll be getting the Inner Voice Scan, the Vital Scan and Optimization, as well as the Comprehensive Scan and Optimization. So basically, you'll be getting this process in your inbox. And basically what that will give you is your own music or sounds to listen to every day, morning and night, or as often as you want, actually. And what that is doing, because of the 7,000 frequencies of your voice, what that is doing is allowing your cells to upgrade emotionally and energetically. Very, very cool. Now, I know out there in the world, there's some things in the blood that have been released over the last few years, and some frequency work seems to be messing with it. Things like 3G, 4G, 5G. This is very, very different to that. What this is doing is looking at frequencies in our cells and then upgrading them and optimizing them. So it's quite a different thing to a lot of things that people are talking about. So when you get your report, this is what it ends up looking like. So I'll stop that. And I'll show you what your Easy Scan report will look like as it comes through. Now, depending on someone's health, depending on their supplements, depending on their medications, depending on where they live in cities or country, or whether you're close to 5G, 4G, 3G, 6G towers or whatever, whether you've got your mobile phone on your person all day long, whether you've got protection in your houses, everyone's is different. It's just information. So you'll be given some frequencies that you can listen to. And basically, this is an example of, well, for some reason, it won't allow me to give the frequencies. Sorry about that. But this, oh, there it is. So this is an example of the frequencies. It depends which of your notes are out of balance in your voice as to which frequencies you're listening to. So, and then it gives you your power colors. So the power colors for me are dark blue and red. This was a few days ago. These imprint buttons, I'm not sure if they work on your phone. So when you're listening to it, sometimes you can actually press these little buttons and imprint that into a glass of water or something like that. They're the top homeopathics that showed up for me this week. And then it goes through a bunch of foods that your body isn't coping with at the moment. So it's good to avoid those for the month. And then it shows you your chakras, so the previous chakras, so as it's going through, and then currently where it's landing. So previous is as it's scanning your body, and current is where it ends up allowing you to land, which is very cool. And then here the meridians, you see. So basically, again, before and after, previous and current. So my lung was overworking, my kidneys are underworking. I haven't actually drank any water today. My heart was underworking, my gallbladder was overworking, and my spinal cord, my governing vessel, underworking. And then it goes through a whole bunch of bloods. And the cool thing about this is that it goes through viruses, bacteria, parasites, a whole bunch of liver and kidney stuff, immune things, kidney things, endocrine challenges, cardiovascular, brain, bone, mineral density, heavy metal toxicities, all sorts of things in there. So it's a really, really cool look at your body that you're getting within the price. So I normally charge $159 for 3 scans, but this particular scan, I normally charge $79 for it alone. But you'll be getting so much more. And I do have to get it into the device and that sort of thing, get you up and running. So I'm going to have the details in the chat. And if you're interested, either email me or phone me if you're in Australia, although texting is better. And just let me know if you're interested. So take care, have a fabulous June, and talk to you all again soon. Bye. My apologies. I forgot to show you the type of frequencies that I run throughout the month as well. So every cell in the body, every hormone, every toxin, everything has a frequency, every emotion. So what you can do with the playlists, if you have your own device, is create your own playlists so that you can think about what you need. Now, these are all playlists that I have created over the last 2.5 years. So now the sort of thing, the scans, the groups that we've got running are things like weight. So if I went down to weight, if I went down to, say, weight loss, have a look at the sort of frequencies that are in there. Autointoxication, adrenal thyroid support, candida detox, Epstein-Barr virus detox, insomnia detox, crabapple, that is an Australian bush flower essence where we don't like our body, weight management frequency, determination, stress-free, hormonal imbalances, liver inflammation, insomnia, poor circulation, thyroid issues, and weight control. I might also choose, say, a thyroid combination, because I just pop these together occasionally with the frequencies that feel right at that time, but I can use different ones throughout the 30 days. So for the thyroid, it's energy, goiter, hair loss, hormonal imbalances, poor circulation, thyroid issues, energy boost, thyroid chakra balance, adrenal thyroid support, memory, focus, and clarity, weight control, weight management, crabapple, wild potato bush. It's another bush flower essence where we don't like ourselves and we create weight in order to protect ourselves. And trauma, we know that trauma is very much involved in weight gain. For people with the chronic illnesses, you know, sort of things like pain-free healing and stamina, energetic clearing, energetic shield, health, immune support, stress-free, vaccination detox, radiation detox, heavy metal detox, Lyme detox, heart plus, cerebral detox, nerve ease plus, trace mineral complete, and adrenal thyroid support. So they're the type of frequencies that I throw out there throughout the month for 30 days. And like I say, for a minimum of 30 days. It's going to be awesome. Hope if you're interested, just contact me and let me know and let's get started. For anyone who's already in my device, so if I have used this technology on you anywhere around the world, and you're in my device, it's only 110 Australian dollars. It's 200 Australian dollars for the 30 days for anyone who is not in my device. But obviously it takes some time to get you in there and to get your original frequencies to you. So I thought I'd add that and talk to you soon. Bye.